Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you how can you fix YouTube not working on mobile data in your Samsung Android. Here is how you could fix it. So, if you're unable to use YouTube on mobile data, then you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you could always check your internet connections. So here, what you have to do is come to settings on your device. Then go to network and internet, after which you simply want to go ahead and make sure to tap on sims since you'll be using mobile data, right? So what next you want to do is you want to toggle the button right over here. You could see mobile data just like that. When you toggle the button, this should be able to help you out if you are still unable to do it. So then you can also check the settings or permissions for YouTube. So what you want to do is you want to come to the home page, long press onto it, go to app info section. Then you want to go to this mobile data uses. Sometimes many people might have just enabled Wi-Fi only, so you have to go ahead and make sure to disable that and make sure to toggle the button for mobile data. You could see there is this unrestricted mobile data uses. You could go and toggle this button, and what next you could also do is you could also go ahead and click on app settings, and here you could go ahead and look for any of these options as well. So similarly, if you are still unable to fix it, so then you could also try clearing your cache and data for the YouTube app. In order to do it, so you simply want to come to this page, long press on the YouTube app, go to the app info section. Here, you simply want to go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so make sure to be careful regarding that. In some cases, you could also check the Android version compatibility as well. Now this is not a usual case, but might be, so you could go and check the version or compatibility as well. Despite doing all this, if still you're facing issue, then you simply want to uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. For that, you come to the respective app store, and then go to your YouTube or type in YouTube. And here you simply want to go ahead and click on uninstall and once again reinstall. But in the meanwhile, what you also want to do is make sure to restart your device. That should be able to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.